So what is HTML? HTML is an acronym that stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the bedrock or the foundation of every website that you find on the web today. HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language. I will be explaining that when we delve into the code. HTML was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee somewhere in late 1991. Now, I promise not to be doing a whole lot of theory in this course, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can read about the history of HTML. Now, when we delve into the code, I'll be showing you how we can lay the structure for our page. In the next section, we are going to be learning how to set up our development environment for us to jump right into the code.